If you've been thinking about building, you'll likely think twice when you step inside this brand new cedar and schist home at 28 Dougledge Wood Drive. Luxury meets practicality with the high stud ceilings, extra height door frames, and a spacious single-level floor plan, where long summer days will be ideal for some celebrity-style lounging on the deck or crank up the Weber and crack open a can. The separate lounge media room has you covered for movie nights or relax reading a book. And if you fancy yourself a home chef, the contemporary kitchen features a large butler's pantry with ample storage for your appliances. Outside, low-maintenance designer landscaping will make you happy that you have more time to indulge in the Wanaka outdoor. The bonus of this location is not only the direct access to local snow resorts, it's also less than a 5-minute drive to downtown shops, cafes, and the lake. Take an easy stroll to the nearby Ruby Cinema, Cadrona Cafe, Indoor Climbing Wall, and Medical Centre. Or grab a bike and head to 3 Parks for school, shopping, and sports. This house is not just a home, it's a hassle-free, turnkey lifestyle.